Hey everyone, can you believe summer has gone by as quick as it has? I certainly can't. And here we are, it's fall, and I'm here in my living room and I'm getting ready to do a clean and decorate for the fall season. For those of you that have tuned in for the first time, my name is Anthea and this is Anthea's Style YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming videos that we're going to be doing for the rest of this year. And if you're a returning follower, thanks for coming back, and I hope you enjoy this video as I clean and decorate my living room for fall. The first thing I like to do is I like to edit the room that I'm doing my clean on. So here you can see I am picking up all of my yarn. I've been working on a lot of different projects, both business-wise and personal. So I'm editing out everything that I am not going to be using in my room to decorate for this fall season, as well as doing a general clean. So removing my electronics, cleaning surfaces, tabletops, so I can get ready to dust and polish. I like to use a laundry basket to put everything in, and then I can organize those items in other rooms in my house or repurpose them back in the same room that I'm going to be decorating in. I just find that when you take off everything from your surfaces, it makes it so much easier for cleaning. And again, if you haven't seen my previous videos of me cleaning, I like to clean from the top down. That's why all the dust falls on the floor, and then you do your final vacuum that way. Cleaning off the fireplace, removing this teacup that I had out for some birthday party celebrations during the month of August, and I am tidying this piano. I just celebrated my birthday at the beginning of September, so I am removing this picture frame that I had for decor there and the birthday cards, which I love to keep. As you can see, there's lots of remnants of dust and a lot of living that's gone on in our living room. Like I said, the month of August for our family is very heavily celebrated with lots of family birthdays, including my 2 adult children. So this room certainly was going to enjoy the clean that it got, and I was going to enjoy being able to clean it. So here I'm just tidying up some blankets. This is a handmade crochet blanket from my line of Anthea Style hand crochet products, and it's a lovely color for fall. It's called a birch, and it's very cozy and warm, and I will be using this in my fall decor once my room is all tidied and I start to place my decorated items around and about the room. Removing all the pillows. I like to give those a good fluff and a brush with a lint brush, as well as sometimes just take a damp cloth to wipe them off to get any dust or crumbs. Here I'm using a microfiber mop-like cleaner, which is wonderful because it picks and holds all the dust up. If you don't have one of these little caddies, they're great to use because you put all your cleaning supplies in them and you can take them around your room with you. So once again, all tabletop surfaces, the lamps, I clean picture frames, I clean the trim on my wall, mirrors, everything gets a really good wipe down. Once I've dusted, then I do all of my polishing. Lamps included, they get dusted because, as we all know, they love to collect that dust on them. I'm cleaning this picture here, but I will be taking it down and replacing that with a mirror on the wall, just to change it up a little bit for fall and to bring in some black in my decor. You will see a bit later on what my color scheme is, and if it's any indication, one of the colors that I have on is a little hint as to what color I'm going to be doing. Some of these products, like these microfiber cloths, I got from the dollar store. And they're ones that if they get ruined, because they're so cheap and affordable, I think they were $1.50 for that packet of 3 or 4, you just throw them out and get new ones again. This table certainly needed a good wipe down after all the birthday parties, teas, and cookies that we've shared around this table. Here I'm starting the decorations. This is a mirror, and I'm going to be creating a layered effect on my coffee table. If you go back and watch some of my previous videos, you will see that I love to have that tray, that mirror tray on my table, but I'm changing it up this time with putting a flat surface on my table. A fall floral arrangement with a nice pumpkin candle, and lots of pumpkins are going to be in my decor this season. This is a velvet pumpkin with some feathers. I thought that was kind of whimsical and fun. So my color choices this season are gray, a deep orange, a deep red, and some black and creams and whites. This garland I purchased from the dollar store, so if you're decorating for fall, you can certainly do it on an economical basis. You don't have to spend a lot of money. I bought 2 of these and I'm intertwining them together on the top of our fireplace mantle, getting ready for some pumpkins that I will be layering in amongst it. Here I'm using some silver, some deep oranges, those deep reds. Just so pretty, and a little bit of white or like a cream color, and some more orange. Just creating that fall harvest simple look. And those pumpkins, believe it or not guys, they are from the Dollar Tree, those little tiny ones. This large one that says blessed I've had in my collection for a while from HomeSense, and then this one that I just placed on that candlestick holder, that is from Michael's. And this corner I decided to give my husband a little bit of decoration by using one of his classic antique car die cast models with a collection of some of his car books. Here I'm simply going to be using some branches, some sticks, and I'm just putting in some foliage. Again, this foliage here that I'm putting in is from Dollarama. And I believe I have 6 or 7 of those branches that I'll be placing in amongst the neck of this large vase, which I'm repurposing. I don't feel that you need to always go out and buy brand new of all of your larger items. Get used to reusing your items and just change out, for example, the florals like what I put in. And those florals, I believe they were $1.50 a stem, so if I've used 7 of those, you guys do the math. That is not an expensive way to decorate. The thankful sign I picked up at our Michael's, and they had a sale on this week at 40% off. And I've mixed my metals. I have golds and silvers that I'm using to decorate with. Placing the basket of blankets on this side. And on the top of our piano, I am placing a collection of books. These books here that I've just placed, they're Reader's Digest. And if any of you are old enough to remember, Reader's Digest used to be a huge thing, and they were actually books. And I got a large box of about 50 of them. Yes, I said 50 of them, at a yard sale for $5. So I thought it would be fun just to incorporate those books along with my other readers that I have on the go. And maybe this will inspire me to pick up my books a little bit more this fall season and do some reading, which I love to do. So just simple, nothing very difficult there. And here I go, guys, layering with my blankets. We love our blankets in our house. And there's the black mirror that I put up in place of the large metal picture that I have had up for quite some time. Just wanted to change it up and bring a little black in the decor to balance the room with all the light that's on the wall. That's a new pumpkin pillow that I picked up from HomeSense, and I believe that pillow was only $34.99. And here's my handmade crocheted blanket in the color birch with some lovely tassels adorned on it. And these pillows I've had in my collection for a while now. That dark one came with the couch set, and this gold one here and the orange one that I'm going to be placing, those are pillow covers that I put over forms. So if you're low on storage space, think of picking up pillow covers and just having, a few forms, and that way you're able to store your pillow covers much easier than storing big large pillows all over. So there we have my fall decor for this season. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I have enjoyed decorating and having you come along with me to see my home for this fall season. And that sign says, "Always cherish family," for which I feel I'm very blessed to have. And this fall season, as we approach Thanksgiving, remember guys, take note of what you are thankful for, and it doesn't have to be anything large. Just be grateful for the love of family that you have around you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video with me today. Till next time guys, happy fall!